Another day, just doing the sampling on this clips here. As you can see there, we all like getting all the bins out, like putting into the row. And in the beginning of the clips, as you can see, we're driving the
Yeah.
small like
Okay.
truck.
Understand.
Well, not really a truck, but yeah, it's just that we
Stickers on.
offered the guy because he was just by himself for us just to get the car out and then and go into the row to lay out the bins. And then also like after that, at the same time we are like labeling, like for example here, as you can see there, putting the label, because they put the bins and then they allocate of where to go, you know what I mean? So for example, row row, I don't know, I can't remember what number it was, like I think row number 11 or 12 or whatever started from. They just picked up the wrong, not wrong, I mean random numbers, like the one that have already been looked after from the beginning of the season. Like for example, like when they're spraying the block, right, they put special chemicals in those ones, you know what I mean, just for the research purpose. So like and also the way they do it as well, they got like or they got the wrapping it down and instead of 2-3 canes, it's a mixture though. So you go a 1 caner, but then you go like canes going all the way up, you know what I mean, or 4 butt spurs. Yeah, so that when they're pruning it, they do like a Pinot style of doing it, like but instead of wrapping it down, they got like all the canes, extra canes, all the way up, going up, not wrapping it down on the fruiting wires. So, but anyway, then comes to harvest season, they already know they have the data of where they need to pick up or harvest the fruits from the vines, and that is why they got the labels down as well. So like at the beginning of the rows, they have already allocates which one are which and which one are for the research. So like yeah, so these ones here, you know, we just labeling it down. So before they picked up the bins, they will get like another like the bags. They bag them up, and then they will weigh them as well. So after they're weighing weigh the bins and take off the bags, and they weigh the bag itself. You know what I mean? So they have a data of how much they produce for one vine, like for the fruit wise.
Give us a
So
hand,
like
bro.
yeah, so at the end of the day, the research guy
on the bin.
he will collect all the data, and for us not to mix all the fruits, like so from the vine of what they've got, they cannot pick the fruits from another vines, you know what I mean? So they need to separate them, and then they need to know which one are which, or from where the bins are picked, you know, like for the vines. You cannot mix them or whatsoever, you know, because they need to get the data. So like for example, one of the vine could weigh like, I don't know, 13 kgs, 14 kgs, or I think the most or the less ones they got before, I remember they got only like I don't know, maybe 7 kgs or 6 kgs, because there's not enough juice, well, not just not enough fruit bunches into the bins. So like, yeah, that's why they need to collect all the data out as well, so they will know which one are which. Yeah, so like so one bay, you know, if they got four vines, right, they will count it and they will know this bay, this row 11, for example, at the top of my head. And then you got the first bay, the first plant, second plant, third plant, and the fourth plants, you know? So like, so for example, Johan, just go have a look at the row, I don't know, 26, for example. Because I think it's go all the way up to number row or bay 36, if I'm not mistaken. So like, you know, so 36 times 4, 35, 70, 140, around 142 plants or something like in that row. that need to be so so for example, like Johan go to this let's call again the road number, I don't know, road 12, and then go to plants number, so he already know which benza is from, you know what I mean? So they need to collect all the datas and everything, so they need to weigh them up as well at the same time, so